purple. And then you stay here. You stay here.
John John. John John.
Sit down. You want to come sit over here? Yeah. And then you'll get your crown.
John John. John John, go up, go up.
He's like, I don't know about this.
This is what.
Here, let's put yours on, you know. So you can get it to fit. Do you want it, Chester? Will you switch seats with her so his mama can sit next to him? That might make him feel better. Jonathan, do you want to sit here so you can sit next to mommy? I think Chester's comfortable, okay? Thank you. Here, honey, why don't you sit right here, okay? And then mama will sit next to you. Okay. Or you can stay there. Okay. That's